Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 27 Exercise 27C Question number 10. If a solid right circular cylinder made of iron is heated to increase its radius and height by 1% each, then by how much percent does the volume of the solid increase? So basically it's saying when iron rod, when your cylinder that is made up of iron, right? We have a cylindrical cylinder, right, which is in the shape of a cylinder that is heated. It's made up of iron, so it's heated, and definitely when iron things are heated up, they will expand. So the radius and the height expand by 1% each, right? So there is very small change, you won't see that, but actually there is some change in the radius, very little, but over here it is 1% of the original length. Then it says by how much percent does the volume of the solid increase. So if radius is increasing and the height is increasing, then the volume will also increase. So we have to calculate how much percent does it increase. So we will see over here, first of all, your original radius, that we'll assume to be as your r, and then original height we'll assume as h. Okay, two things I've assumed, and original volume also I'll take here. We know the formula, so I'll put that formula down only. Original volume, that's pi r square h. Okay, simple formula of the volume of the cylinder. That's my volume. Now the new radius and the new height, what is that? So we will calculate that. New radius will be r plus, so old radius plus whatever has increased, and how much has increased? 1% of r. Okay, so you can solve this. You can see 1% it has increased, so 1% of r. You solve and let's see what do I get here. R plus 1 by 100 into r, that is r plus r by 100. So you will eventually get what over here? 101 r by 100. This r upon 1 becomes r upon 100, 100 r upon 100 plus r, 101 r upon 100. Now we will calculate the new height also. So that is what? Let's see. So new height will be h plus the increase, whatever that has increased in it. So again 1% has increased, so 1% of h. Now solve again, same thing you will get, but still we'll do that. H plus 1 by 100, of means multiply, and h, this of means multiplication. Okay, so you have what? H plus h by 100, which is again 101 h by 100. This h becomes 100h upon 100, so plus plus, that's 101. Now these two things we know, and now we will calculate the new volume. When the radius and the height are changed, our volume will also change. So we will calculate what is the new volume now. So your new volume, so formula won't change. We know pi r square h is the formula, so square of radius plus multiplied by the height and into pi. So that's what pi radius. So my new radius is 101 r upon 100. So we'll put that one here inside, 101 r upon 100 and square. Okay, because we know pi r square, and then h, that's my height, so into height, that is 101 h by 100. Very simple, this one is pi, and then here 101 square. So first of all let's calculate 101 square, which is what? 1010, and then again 101, 10201. Okay, that is your 101 squared. What else do we need now? So we need the cube, because 101 square into 101. So again I'll multiply this 10201 by 101. So 1 0 2 0 1 over here, again 0, another one here, and same thing here, 1 0 2 0 1, 1 0 and then 3 and then 0 and 3 here and 1 there, 1 0 3 0 0 1, right? So this is your this your cube of 101. So pi and then 1 0 3 0 3 0 1, right? And with this we'll put what, r square into h. That means simply I'll write here r square h, and then in the denominators what will I have here? You see 100 square, that is, let's keep on putting these zeros because it's 100 only, so 1, and then 100 square, so that will have 4 zeros, and into 100, so another 2 zeros. That's your whatever is going to be here in the denominator, so 6 zeros in total, right? Now see, we want the change in the volume in percentage. So for calculating the change in the volume in percentage, or I should say percentage change, that's better word. So you'll have new volume minus the old volume upon what? So new volume minus the old volume upon the or this should be original volume rather, right? Original volume upon again the original volume, and this is percentage, so into 100 as well, right? So you'll solve, and what do you have here? Let's see. So new volume is this much, okay, pi into 1030301 r square h upon 1 followed by 6 zeros. That's my new volume minus the original volume. So you will see the original volume is pi r square h. So you will have what? Pi r square h. So you will have, you will see over here that and here original volume is pi r square h, okay, and then what do you have? Upon again original volume, that is pi r square h, and what else do you have? Into 100. So you will see what do I have here is this kind of expression, and how do we solve this thing, right? So what I'll do, we'll cancel this, we'll not cancel this, this will stay over here only, okay. We'll have pi r square h here as it is. What I'll do, I'll take this common. You can see pi r square h and then this pi r square h can be taken common in this denominator, so we'll do that, and we'll see what do I get here. Pi r square h is common. Now write down whatever is remaining. So we are left with 1030301 by 1 and 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 6 here, minus, and here pi r square h has gone, so 1 will remain here, okay, and upon pi r square h into 100. So pi r square h and pi r square h will be cancelled, right? So what am I left with? Let's see, let's do this question right over here so that there's some space. So we have this and this, it's gone. So what do I have now? 1030301 upon, and then 1 6 zeros, and now you will see minus this 1 is there. So this 1 is 1 upon 1, or you can say, so we will find your LCM of 1 and this denominator, which is what? Let's see, this is 10 lakh, right? So 1 and 10 lakh, their LCM will be 10 lakh only. So here also I will have what? 10 lakh here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 upon, same thing over here, 6 zeros, okay, and at last we have into 100 also, right? So we'll do that here. First of all, this will be in the brackets and into 100. So you see, you can see 10 lakh over here, this is 10 lakh, this will cancel over here, this will subtract, so we'll be left with 1 minus 0, that is 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 1, 0 minus 0, again 0, 1 minus your 1, that is 0. So we'll just keep this thing till here, and upon in the numerators what I'll have 1 followed by 6 zeros, right? And at last we'll open this bracket, so into 100. So this is 2 zeros cancelled and 2 zeros cancelled here. So what do I have now? 30301 upon 10,000, right? So your final answer that will come in percentage will be 1 2 3 4 zeros. So 1 2 3 4, after 4 places decimal point will come. So you have 3.0301, or you can also cut it short to 3.03, up to you. And also don't forget to put this percentage sign, because we are calculating percentage, and that becomes your answer, right? It's also given approx, so you can assume that is approximate. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.